What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to be giving updates on Onyxcoin, or XCN, because it is taking the cryptocurrency market by storm right now. Now, remember, as always, never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. So the overall cryptocurrency market is holding up really well this weekend. And going into next week, I do think we're going to continue to see breakouts across the market. We have the FOMC meeting, or the Federal Reserve will come out here in the United States to discuss what they're going to do in terms of rate cuts and pauses for the remainder of 2025. And I think, again, if we come out somewhat dovish, believing that they can bring down inflation and not worry too much and focus too hard on rate pauses, but instead continue to cut rates, the market can continue to run. Now, Bitcoin and Ethereum running sideways, but the top gainer of today that continues to outperform the entire crypto market is Onyxcoin, or XCN. This is actually one that was brought to my attention by my live stream. I've been live streaming here on YouTube, and a lot of people have been saying, hey, check out XCN coin. Hey, check out Onyxcoin. It's breaking out. It's doing this. And I kind of ignored it for quite a bit of time. But now, after looking and reading into a little bit more of what they've been doing in terms of resolutions with Justin Sun, owner of Huobi Exchange, and Tron DAO, Tron X, or TRX token, things are starting to get really interesting with Onyxcoin. If you guys look at the all-time charts right now, it did peak back in 2022 at 18 cents. And right now it's at 4 pennies. And so again, we saw kind of this infinite downward trend. Even volume at all-time highs were only about $40 million per day. And we know that this is on some reputable exchanges already, like Coinbase. So that's where things started getting interesting to me. It's on Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate, BingX, Huobi, and there's many, many more centralized exchanges that hold it. But before we even dive in and talk about some of the news catalysts that could lead to the continued rally, because I think people are talking 30, 40, 50x potential over the next few days when it comes to Onyxcoin becoming a competitive layer one and becoming a competitive cryptocurrency in the market. Currently ranked 80th by market cap. I think the upside here is pretty big. So before we jump in, there's a link down in the description below for those of you that are interested with BloFin. It's an official partner of the channel. They're offering people some pretty cool incentives for starting to trade on their platform. Again, link is going to be right at the bottom of the description, or the top of the description below. $400,000 worth of Trump and Melania coin up for grabs. And for those of you that are technical traders, $100,000 in deposit and trade rewards waiting your entry. So go ahead, take advantage of it. You have till February 3rd, I believe, is when it ends. You guys can see that down on the left-hand side. So again, free money is free money with BloFin. Shout out to them for all the technical traders. Take benefit of some of these trade competitions and trade rewards. XCN coin. Google Trends, one of the things that I like to look at when I'm looking at where cryptocurrency market is at and where a certain cryptocurrency is. And right now, you guys can see public interest is peaked. It's now at 100 for XCN coin, meaning that there's a lot of excitement, as it was kind of running at none. But pretty much since January's inauguration of Trump and everything from there, we started seeing a really nice rally for XCN coin. And people are searching XCN price, crypto, Onyxcoin, XRP, and XRP as well, and a breakout. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the catalysts. If you guys see here, click that refresh button real quick. Here's XCN coin's chart. So we had a really, really, really aggressive breakout since Thursday, January 23rd. We see this really nice uptrend followed by a correction, and then again, just this never ending, these really big buy orders in the exchange order books that are coming in that are just pushing the price massively towards the upside. But if you look relatively to where it once was and where it is now, the question becomes, can it go back to an all-time high? And I think, again, all-time highs might be just a short-term potential entry or short-term price goal for 18, 19 cents per token. But I think from there, we enter into price discovery, and this can become, again, a competitive layer one. So let's talk about some of the news catalysts that are creating this really nice upside, 800% rally over the last few days. So here's why Onyxcoin has skyrockets 800% in weeks, and where it's going to go and price predictions will come towards the end of the video. So XCN, or Onyxcoin crypto token, saw a 800% rally in 2 weeks, extending the monthly rally to 2,000%. Onyx is fully decentralized protocol powered by governance and utility tokens, or XCN coins themselves. The primary reason behind the massive uptrend is the resolution for the long-term standing issue with HTX, or Huobi Exchange Global, and Justin Sun. So The trading volume has jumped immensely over the last week at 98% jump further in the last 24 hours. Over $1 billion, I think we're at for trade volume, $1.56 billion, which is pretty dang massive. It's actually outpacing Trump coin in volume on exchanges right now, on some exchanges. So the trading volume increased from 1.6 billion today from just 100 million just a week ago. So XCN has even taken over XRP, Solana, BTC, and trading volume on Coinbase crypto exchange in the last day. It's surpassing all other layer one protocols, which is bullish. Coinbase tops other crypto exchanges for XCN trading volumes, recording 38% of the market share in terms of volume. Meaning here in the United States, those of you that are based in the US are getting very interested because we know Coinbase has operations. The majority of the investors that trade on Coinbase, even though it is an international exchange, are here in the US and North America. So XCN futures open interest also saw 45% jump over the last 24 hours as CoinGlass data by Bybit saw 46% increase in XCN future open interest and signals a price rise further. And you can kind of see here, here's the interest and where we're at. Kind of ran sideways for quite a long time. XCN price, of course, went down, but right now the open interest has gone up significantly, which is extremely bullish. So reasons why Onyxcoin or XCN saw massive gains. For clarity, Onyxcoin or Onyx has no relation with to the bank giant JP Morgan Chase. Onyx blockchain by JP Morgan was rebranded to Kenexes to distinguish it from unrelated entities, protocols in the crypto market. So there was some confusion there, and I wanted to make sure we cleared that up at the beginning. Does that mean it can't be integrated soon? Hey, it's pretty much still on the table. The massive pump recently for XCN price came from the resolution of a dispute from 2022 related to XCN with Justin Sun, who we know is one of the most controversial CEOs in crypto for Tron Coin, but he's pretty dang awesome when it comes to retail investing and his relationship with the retail space. So OIP 51 protocol was deployed passing, which makes Sun and HTX part of the DAO, with XCN locked for 2 years and a public acknowledgement of major news by Justin Sun. So the fact that it does have this 2-year lock gets people excited, just like any other coin. That means the people that have vested interest aren't able to actually take profits for years to come. Meaning for those of you that are trading from the fully diluted valuation that we're looking at here, it's pretty dang interesting. 1.5 billion total, 1.2 billion market cap in circulation, and then 1.9 billion, meaning about, you're talking 40% tokens are still under lock and untradeable in the public market. So the decentralized Web3 platform has announced incentive running Onyx core node operators with a proposal due early February. And this is where things get exciting. It said preference will be given to those already running nodes at the time of the OIP and technical enough to operate a node with high uptime. So Onyx or XCN price has rallied on as the platform offers gas refunds on staking, voting rewards. Onyx DAO is on a major marketing push and an incoming proposal on a community burn initiative. And that's where things are getting interesting, especially when it comes to the fact that they're burning supply, meaning that they're taking more and more tokens out of circulation. And that, in terms of retail demand, makes things get extremely exciting and people start to look at it. So official Onyx DAO or XCN Coins Twitter account, they said the Onyx DAO is looking for feedback on community burn initiative monthly. The DAO would analyze the burn wallet with AI and randomly choose a burn wallet skewed by its tokens burned. And OIP would then grant direct chosen wallet $10,000 in XCN for those that are creating these burn initiatives. So think about it as a utility coin with some significant amount of retail investor interest and retail investor backing and appeal. So I think they do have the potential to become one of the top layer ones / protocols in crypto, because you got to think about it as more of a crypto protocol than its own independent blockchain, even though it kind of fits into multiple boats. But again, top gainer, right now it's ranked 80th by market cap if we scroll down right here, but it's outpacing the market up 258% on the last 7 days. Right now on a retrace over the last hour, 5%. I think that means potential entries if you're trying to buy support. We can talk about it in the future. I'll be mentioning this token a little bit more because I'm getting interested in establishing my own position. For full transparency, I have not yet, but I think at the very least for short-term price action, we can potentially see even up to a new all-time high that we saw in June 2022, which is right around 18 cents, which would be from here. We're talking about a 4x potential, maybe 5x in the short term. And then from there, enter in price discovery, and maybe we can even see $1. Who knows? I appreciate your support. That's all I had. And until next time, check out the link down below for BloFin. up for grabs for everybody that is tuning in. And until next time, as always, keep investing. Peace.